everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to create that look, I'm gonna be taking this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation and I'm applying it on my cheeks and on my forehead and just a little bit on my nose and on my chin. I'm taking a little bit more on my cheeks because I have few spots on my cheeks. Now to blend that out, I'm taking this brush and I'm trying to buff that out into my skin. So if you're going for blending your foundation using a brush, then try to buff that out into your skin. Don't try to rub it all over your face. I'm just blending it into my skin and taking it all the way down to my neck so that there's no color difference visible. I'm trying to buff the foundation into my skin very well with a very light pressure. Next, I'm taking this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow palette that I almost forgot exists in my makeup box. So I'm gonna be taking this orange shade right here and I'm gonna be applying it on my creases. So the best part is oh, hello there, did you see me? So the best part is it has a mirror. Now I'm gonna be applying it on my creases and I forgot to apply concealer on my eyelid. So for concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer and I'm just applying it on my eyelids. We are not gonna apply on the under eye area. We are just applying it on the eyelids to give the eyeshadow a base so that the colors stand out very clearly. So I'm here trying to blend out the concealer that I have applied with the help of Beauty Blender. And now to set the concealer, I'm taking this Lakme Whitening Rose powder and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid to set the concealer and to avoid any creases. So next I'm taking that orange shade and I'm just applying it all over my crease and I'm trying to blend that in. I'm slowly trying to enhance the color. Now I'm gonna be taking this darker shade right here and I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid. So here I'm trying to blend the eyeshadow pretty well. It didn't work out, so I shifted to another flat brush and I'm just applying it in the outer corner and also in the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm trying to join both the sides on my crease and I'm just leaving the middle section of my eyelid blank without any eyeshadow. So I'm trying to create an halo effect on my eyelid. Next I'm taking this blue shade and I'm applying it outer corner of my eyelid just to give it a little bit more depth. So I'm just applying it and blending it all the way in. making it appear a bit more darker. Now I'm gonna be taking this pink shade. This is a very light pink shade, and I'm just applying it on the center portion of my eyelid that I have left with no eyeshadow. I'm applying it using my finger just to give a proper color payoff, and then I'm taking this brush and I'm just blending out the edges so that no harsh line is visible. Next, I'm taking this blue shade again and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And I'm trying to connect lower lash line with the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm just trying to blend that out really well. Next, I'm taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in blue, and I'm just applying it on my waterline and slightly smudging it out. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and I'm applying it on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. Next, taking this black eyeshadow, I'm applying it on my false lash band that I applied off camera. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in shade medium, and I'm applying the concealer under my eyes. So if you're going for a smoky eye look, then just go for the eyeshadow first, and then you can go for the base products, because you're gonna have fallouts when you're applying the eyeshadow. So if you apply the foundation and concealer first and then the eyeshadow, then you're gonna have fallouts, then you're gonna have to remove it, then reapply the foundation base. So it's better you go for the eyeshadow first and then the concealer. Next, I'm taking this Lakme Whitening Rose Powder and setting my under eye area using a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm taking this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer and I'm applying it on the center of my forehead and on my nose and on my chin. And on my brow bone. So here I'm just trying to highlight the high points of my face. So next I'm just trying to blend that out using my damp beauty blender. Using my damp beauty blender, now I'm just dabbing it all over my face so that there's no harsh line visible, and then I'm taking the eyeshadow brush again and I'm just blending out the edges so that there's no harsh line visible. Next, to bronze my face, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Glam Duo Bronzer. Next, for the blush, I'm taking this Mascara blusher in shade 03 and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and taking it all the way up towards the temples. Next, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm just blending it all into my skin so that the blush and the bronzer are well blended into each other. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Obsession highlighter and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face. This is a really good highlighter. I really love this highlighter. So next, I'm just taking a pencil brush and I'm highlighting my brow bone. And also, I'm just applying the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. And also on my cupid's bow. Now for my lips, I'm taking this Lakme Enrich lip crayon. So I just slightly overline my lips. And then I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I'm just applying it in the center portion of my lips just to give it fuller lips kind of effect. And I'm just blending that out using my finger. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you loved watching this video and you loved the look I have created in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you loved watching this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification on every time I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.